most of the parents are well versed with loans like home loan or personal loan or gold loan, and many a times they even have agents for these loans in touch. Hence, they tend to go for these kind of loans instead of going for an education loan. But that will be the worst financial decision you will ever take. I will tell you why. In addition to higher interest rate, there are 6 key points which makes a home loan top up or a personal loan or a gold loan a bad choice for funding higher education. The first one is, if you're going for a home loan top up or a personal loan or a gold loan, you would have to take the entire disbursement in one tranche, which means the interest will start incurring on the entire amount as soon as you take it. But in case of an education loan, you can release the money or you can take the disbursement semester wise or year wise, and the interest will be charged only after you take the disbursement. The second point is, in an education loan under section 80E, you can claim the entire interest portion which is paid by you as a tax-free income, which reduces your effective interest rate by 10% to 30% overall. This will not happen in any other loan. When you are spending money on foreign education, please note that there is an additional tax levied by the government on foreign remittance. This is called as TCS or tax collection at source. Now, TCS is only 0.5% if the remittance is happening from an education loan. But the TCS is 5% if the source of funds is anything other than education loan, whether it is any other kind of loans or your personal funds. So even though you can claim this money back at the end of the financial year if you're filing good enough amount of tax, but this additional 4.5% will be blocked in case the source of funds is not an education loan. Government of India has multiple subsidy schemes for the interest waiver of moratorium period in an education loan, such as Padho Purje scheme, Dr. Ambedkar scheme, CSIS. I have made a detailed video on all these subsidy schemes and you can check out that video in the link mentioned above. Now, these subsidies are offered because education is a priority sector for the government, and such subsidies are not offered for any other kind of loans. Most important point is that in an education loan, moratorium period or repayment holiday is offered. Moratorium period is your course duration plus 6 months to 12 months which is offered to you to find the job. During this entire period, you are not required to start your loan repayment, that is your EMI. Some banks may ask you to pay full or partial interest during this period, but in government banks, even interest payment is not required during the moratorium period. In no other loans such a grace period will be offered, and in all other kinds of loans you will have to pay EMI from the first month itself. In an education loan, the general repayment tenure offered is 10 to 15 years. In a personal loan, it is only 5 years. In a gold loan, it is 1 year that can be extended up to 3 years. So for such a huge loan, a long loan tenure offers you a lot of comfort while repayment. And please note that there is no lock-in period or no pre-closure charges in an education loan, which means you can pay your education loan as early as you can without any additional penalties or charges, whereas all other loans have lock-in period and pre-closure charges. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful information. And if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. To start your loan process with WeMake Scholars, you can request a call back using the link mentioned above. And I'm repeating again, all the services of WeMake Scholars are completely free of cost. Our team of financial officers are well versed with the entire loan process and the norms and the terms of various banks. They will handhold you through the entire process. WeMake Scholars is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India under their Digital India initiative. So now we put a lot of effort in compiling this information and making these videos so that you can be informed. So if you appreciate the whole idea of LoanFlix, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we publish a new video. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be looking out for this information. That's it. See you in my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.